Today's video on how to add Ultron swap to Metamask, or you can check the comment section below or the description. You can take it up here and watch the video on how to add the Ultron swap to Metamask and other videos about the Ultron blockchain. Thank you. You are all welcome to Mainnet channel. In this channel, we are here to guide you on cryptocurrency, blockchain, and how to make money online. So if you are new, remember to subscribe and share, and always come for updates. And also, if you're a returning viewer, thank you for watching our videos. In this video, we are going to look at Ultron Swap, how to set up your Ultron Swap in your Metamask and your Trust wallet. So watch the end of the video and let me know your thought about Ultron Swap. So basically, you can see Ultron here. Ultron is a leading layer 1 blockchain. This is the block explorer. We are going to the Ultron Swap and how to connect, because most of us may have Ultron. Some of us bought it through Mavi Staking Hub. Some have it through exchange. So, but we don't know how to connect to Ultron Swap. And basically, Ultron Swap is the first swap built by the decentralized layer 1 blockchain. So basically, you go to Ultron Swap, type it out in your browser. This is it, ultronswap.com. Once you tap on it, allow it to load. The Ultron Swap is basically where you can swap Ultron to different networks. You have Cardano networks, you have Phantom network, instant transactions, limitless, and options. You have limitless option here. The fees are low. Ultron Swap is very low in terms of transaction charges. It's very simple. You can swap your coin here, meaning that if you have Bitcoin, you can swap it to Ethereum. You can swap your Ethereum to Ultron to any coin you want. Virtually, you have several coins there. You can earn through Ultron Swap. You can earn through farming, through delegation, through staking. I will do more videos on this, so remember to watch the end and also subscribe and share to get more updates on how to use Ultron Swap. That is why we are here for you. You can bridge your token. You can bridge your crypto asset. It's as easy as ABCD, as 1, 2, 3. So when you go to Ultron Swap, this is the user interface. This is the landing page. This is how it looks like. So you can see down here, this is the ULS and this is the UUSDT. This is how Ultron Swap operates. The UUSDT is USDT in Ultron network. USDT simply means USDT in Ultron network, meaning that Ultron have other cryptocurrency wrapped in its network. It's a full layer 1 blockchain. For those who are doubting about Mavi Ultron, this is it. You can see this is one of the proofs that Ultron is a project. It's not a scam. It has utility. It has ecosystem. This is one of it. I'll be exploring more of this ecosystem in this channel. So let's continue. The next thing you can do is you come to this line up here, these 3 lines up, and you can tap on it. So the first thing you are seeing on the board here is we can see this, the price of the Ultron at the current price. This is how to swap ULX/WULX. Liquidity is those that want to supply liquidity to the Ultron liquidity pool, and you earn a lot by being a liquidity provider. This is staking option. In Ultron Swap, you can stake and earn. A part of the Mavi staking, you can equally stake in Ultron directly. This is how why Ultron is decentralized. You can stake directly on the blockchain and earn. And then this is the swapping utility where you can swap different assets. You can farm, you can bridge from Ultron to Ultron network to Ethereum network to Cardano network to Phantom network to Ethereum to Polygon network and several networks which you will be showing us. Then the next thing is to tap on connect wallet. Connect wallet. So I've tapped on it. Once you tap on connect wallet, it will allow you to load. It's still loading. If it's not loading, go back and tap it on it again. Okay, so this is what it will show us here. Once you tap on connect wallet, it will show you select wallet. You can see many wallets are going. We have Metamask here. We have Trust wallet. Ultronswap can use several wallets. You can use several wallets. You can see Uniswap. You can connect to Uniswap. You can connect to this wallet. So basically, even Trust wallet. So the next step is to tap on select wallet. You want to select wallet, tap on it and allow you to load. Now you may not see my screen, but let's go. So you select wallet, select Trust wallet. I've selected Trust wallet here. Then it asks me to put my PIN in Trust wallet. So another style is for us to go to the website through the Trust wallet. If you want to use Trust wallet, you can click on the button to share your website. Click on this share button, then copy it. Click on the share button and copy that's the address to the website, to the Ultronswap. Copy it, then go to your Trust wallet. So once you are in the Trust wallet, this is how it will show for us. This is how it will show. So what you need to do is to now come to the browser here, tap on the browser, paste the link you have copied and click setup. Ultronswap has been linked to both Trust wallet and to Metamask. So you can use any of this. You can use Trust wallet, you can use Metamask. So this is how to use Trust wallet, how to connect it to Trust wallet. So once you paste it through your browser in Trust wallet, you click on this place, then click on connect wallet. Then allow you to load. If you didn't go through again, you come back again and click on connect wallet. Okay, so it's automatically in Trust wallet. So you select this Trust wallet, select the Trust wallet, then tap on connect. Okay, so it is asking us for network, switch to network. So we are going to switch to the Ultron network. So tap on this network. Automatically it will switch by itself because it is saved automatically, because from here we can see the name of the coin, the ULX, the symbol, the node URL, the explorer. So all you need to do here is to click on save, allow it to load. So now chain added successfully. Now you can send, receive ULX, coin, add tokens, browse, connect to dApps, and many more. So you can now receive ULX to your Trust wallet and do many other transactions. So connect to it by clicking on this done. So automatically you have connected your Ultronswap to Trust Wallet. Now let's look at how to connect it to Metamask. It's basically the same thing. You just copy the address as you have done before. You copy your address, copy it, and go to your Metamask. You go to the Metamask, you put your Metamask password. Once it opens, okay, here we are. So you put your Metamask password and click on unlock. Click on unlock. Will allow you to unlock. Okay, so this is it. The same thing, you come to the browser, make sure it is on Ultron chain. So first you need to come to this place and change it to Ultron chain. Or if you cannot change, you can paste the address automatically, it will change it to that. So you click on connect. If you have Ultron chain already in your Metamask, you need to change it to Ultron chain, and you now go to the browser just as we did, and this is it. It's connecting, it's loading. Allow it to load. Okay. We'll soon be done with this video. So basically this is how it works. Once it loads, you follow the same process as you did in the Trust Wallet and connect, and we'll move to the top. So you do your transactions as you can. So thank you for watching this video. I'm going to do more video on this. So remember to subscribe and share and get videos on different blockchain and cryptocurrency assets and how to build wealth online. So that is it. You go to the same process and click on connect. This one is already connected, so you just tap on it. Once you click the same process, if it's not connected, you tap on connect, and this is what you will see. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share, and let's move to the top. Next video on how to add Ultron Swap to Metamask, or you can check the comment section below or the description. You can take it up here and watch the video on how to add the Ultron Swap to Metamask and other videos about the Ultron blockchain. Thank you.